Meaning of inspect.
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 Inspect. The word inspect means to carefully examine something, often for the purpose of ensuring compliance with rules or standards. When you inspect something, you are closely scrutinizing it in order to identify any potential problems, defects, or issues that may need to be addressed. This process may involve a detailed examination of different parts or components, as well as a comparison of the item in question to established norms or guidelines. Ultimately, conducting an inspection can help to identify and address any potential problems before they become more serious or widespread.